Okay, I'm back. I've been gone for like 3 weeks. Not gone, I've been doing other projects. Installing new appliances for relatives, faucets, for a lot of stuff I've been putting off for other people. Got some new appliances for ourselves. So this has been full of appliances. Haven't been able to do any work in the shop. And my weekends have been busy anyway, doing, like I said, chores. So I got some cleanup, some stuff I've been thinking about doing. When I wired up the Arcdroid to my plasma cutter, I used a wire that has enough conductors to hook up the torch height control, but I didn't hook it up. So I'm going to do that today. I've got a plan to put some pans underneath the cutting table to catch the sparks, maybe make less mess, less fear of sparks getting on something and starting a fire in my garage, which would be bad since the garage is attached to the house. I got this piece of metal from my brother-in-law, and it's not a real great shape for storing in my garage, so I'm going to cut that down, and just various things like that. Also, the next video I'll probably be installing a new torch for my plasma cutter. I bought a CNC, a straight torch that's designed for CNC controllers, so I won't be using the handle torch anymore. I'll be able to use that for other things, but I probably won't. That won't be this video. Hopefully that'll be next video. Vacation. Maybe it'll be a week or so before that happens, but that's the plan. So here we go. Okay, this is going to be a strange video besides doing my cleanup exercises. I'm not going to actually use the Arcdroid. I'm going to do some stuff in support of the Arcdroid. So my thoughts are to put these pans underneath here to catch the sparks as I cut. I won't use the Arcdroid to cut the brackets I'm going to use because it's easier to use a bandsaw, so that's what I'm going to do. Alright, so that's how it turned out. Some more of these. These didn't come from a yard sale, but they are just old baking sheets. And I was using them. I was going to use them for drip pans, but I never did use them. Luckily enough, I don't have anything that's leaking. Knock on wood. Anyway, so that's what I came up with. They come out. Put them there. And still fold up the table. So that's what I got.